welcome to my channel. I'm Lady Goff and you're watching Mom to Mom. Today, we are on our winter vacation. Are you guys excited? Yeah! So as you see, we need something to occupy all of these little bitty minds. So we're making Christmas ornaments. This is the perfect idea for your Christmas tree. So you want to see how we do it? Yeah! Stay tuned.
Family. I'm the dad from the Robertsons.
And I'm the dad from Mom to Mom. And on tonight, we're going to be judging the ornaments that our children have made.
Like these right here.
Like this one. It might fall, yep. So, you know, that's what our children did.
It's still lovely.
We got this one right here as well.
About to announce the winners of the coloring contest. Who's this?
Mine.
Are you from the Robertsons?
Yes.
That's your name?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
And
What'd you win?
Money.
Are you sure?
Woo!
this one, still wet, but praise the Lord, is the second place winner. Whose is this?
All right!
And what's your name?
Lanaya.
Are you from the Mom to Mom or Robertsons?
Robertsons.
And what did you win?
Candy.
Yes, you did. Praise the Lord.
Woo!
We're gonna do it together.
Really?
And this is our third place winner. And what's your name?
London.
And are you from Mom to Mom or Robertsons?
Mom to Mom.
Yeah. And what did you win?
Candy.
Yes, you did, sweetie. If you like our video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. Also, remember, only what you do for Christ will last. God bless you.